Welcome to this module of our SQL training course, From Stranded to Strategist. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to an advanced SQL user. This course will equip you with the necessary skills. Let's dive into the world of SQL and begin our journey. This module will cover 1. Inner and outer joins, left, right, full outer, to combine data from multiple tables. 2. Cross joins and Cartesian products. 3. Using aliases for simplifying multi-table joins. 4th, a practice task to combine customer and transaction data for a comprehensive report. A join is an SQL operation that combines data from 2 or more tables based on a common key. Joins allow you to query related data without duplicating it in multiple tables. Here's how it works. Joins use a condition to match rows from each table. This is typically done by comparing a primary key in one table to a foreign key in another. Types of joins include inner join, matches rows in both tables. Outer joins includes unmatched rows, left, right, full outer. Cross join produces a Cartesian product of 2 tables. Here's why are they important. They enable data normalization, reducing redundancy. They allow complex queries to combine related data for comprehensive reporting. They are essential for relational databases where data is spread across multiple tables. For example, a company might join a customer's table with an orders table to view each customer's order history. First type is inner join. An inner join returns only rows where there is a match in both tables. Here's how it works. You use the ON clause to define the matching condition between the tables. Check the example for inner join. Second is outer joins. Outer joins return rows even if there is no match in the other table. Types include left join returns all rows from the left table with matching rows from the right table. Right join returns all rows from the right table with matching rows from the left table. Full outer join returns all rows from both tables with null values for unmatched rows. Here's how it works. The join type determines which unmatched rows are included. Check example for left join. Check the result of the join. Explanation. The left join returns all customers, even those without matching orders. For unmatched rows, null is returned for columns from the right table. Next, cross joins and Cartesian products. A cross join returns the Cartesian product of 2 tables, meaning every row from the first table is paired with every row from the second table. Here's how it works. A cross join multiplies the rows from both tables without any condition. Check the cross join example. If there are 3 customers and 2 products, the result will contain 6 rows. While not commonly used without conditions, cross joins are helpful for generating combinations of data such as lookup tables. Now for multi-table joins with aliases. Aliases provide short names for tables, making complex queries easier to read. Here's how it works. You define an alias in the from clause and use it throughout the query. Check the example for multi-table join with aliases. Explanation. C, O and P are aliases for customers, orders and products. This query retrieves customer names, order details and product names. Here's why it's important. Aliases improve readability and efficiency, especially in queries with multiple joins. Now, how can we use these joins? Joins are crucial for data integration across tables. Common use cases include combining customer and order data for transaction history reports, linking inventory data with product details for stock management, generating financial summaries by joining sales, expenses, and revenue tables. Joins make it possible to perform complex queries without duplicating data in a single table. Let's look at a few real-world examples. Scenario 1. In Customer Transactions Report. A company needs a report showing each customer's total spending. Scenario 2. Product Stock Management. A warehouse manager wants to see product stock levels in various locations. Here are some key takeaways from this module. Joins combine related data from multiple tables. Inner joins return only matching rows, while outer joins include unmatched rows. Cross joins create Cartesian products and are rarely used without filters. Aliases simplify complex multi-table queries. Joins enable comprehensive reports and advanced data analysis in relational databases. Let's reinforce what we've learned with a hands-on exercise. For this practice, you will join the customers and orders tables to create a report. Task instructions 1. Write a query to join the tables and retrieve all customers with their orders. 2. Use a left join to include customers without orders. 3. Sort the results by amount in descending order. Here's the solution. That brings us to the end of this module. You've successfully taken your first steps into SQL. Remember, mastering SQL is a journey, and every step you take will bring you closer to becoming proficient. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next module as we continue our SQL adventure. You've got this!